Rhinos are gentle farm animals that give us milk for cheese, ice cream, and butter. Did you know cows have best friends and get sad when they are apart? They also love listening to calm music. It helps them relax and make more milk. Rhinos are one of the biggest animals on land, and they can weigh as much as a small car. Even though they look tough, rhinos have poor eyesight, so they use their ears and noses to explore their world. Geese are great flyers and travel long distances in a V shape when they migrate. They stay with their families and protect each other, especially their babies called goslings. Ducks love swimming and can float because of their special oil on their feathers. It keeps them waterproof. Their flat beaks help them scoop up food from the water, like bugs and plants. Donkeys are known for being strong and hardworking animals. They can carry heavy loads and walk through rocky places without slipping. They also have great memories and can remember other donkeys and places from years ago. Hens are motherly birds that lay eggs almost every day. They talk to their chicks even before they hatch. How amazing is that? A hen keeps her chicks warm under her wings and protects them like a superhero mom. The rough collie is a beautiful, fluffy dog that's gentle, smart, and loyal. They were originally bred to help herd sheep in Scotland. These dogs love learning tricks and helping people. They are like furry geniuses with kind hearts. Roosters love to wake everyone up early in the morning. They puff out their chests and crow to show they are the boss of the farm. Their colorful feathers and proud walk make them look like the kings of the chicken yard. Buffaloes are big, strong animals that love splashing in muddy water. The mud keeps them cool and protects their skin from insect bites. They move together in herds and use their horns to defend their family. Teamwork makes them unstoppable. Ram are male sheep with big curly horns that can grow all their lives. They use their horns to play fight, showing who's strongest in the group. Rams are also great climbers and can balance on steep, rocky mountains like pros. Pigs are one of the smartest animals on the farm. They can learn tricks, play games, and even recognize their names. Pigs roll in mud not because they are dirty, but because they can't sweat and need to cool off. Mountain goats are incredible climbers that live way up high in Rocky Mountains. They can balance on tiny ledges and jump from rock to rock with ease. Their thick fur keeps them warm in the cold, snowy peaks. It's like wearing a fluffy jacket all the time. Pandas are adorable birds from China who love to eat bamboo, lots of it. They spend about 12 hours a day munching on bamboo sticks and leaves. Even though they look cuddly, pandas are shy and love quiet forests where they can relax and roll around all day. Wow, we found so many animals today. Let's review what we found. Ram, mountain goat, dog, rhinoceros, goose, donkey, panda, rooster, pig, duck, cow, buffalo, and hen. Great job, friends! Which animal was your favorite? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more fun adventures with animals. Bye bye!